The next question we're going to have a go at is question 5. The value V of a new car depreciates so that its value after t years is given by V equals V naught times 2 to the power of minus kt. If 50% of the purchase value is lost in 5 years, calculate the constant k. So we know that the initial value is V naught. 50% of the initial value we could represent 50% as being a half of V naught, a half of the initial value. We also know that at the time that it's lost 50%, that's 5 years have passed. So we're going to let t equal 5. And our V equal a half of V naught. So substituting those values into our formula, let V equal a half of V naught, and that's equal to V naught times 2 to the minus 5k. We're going to solve it using CAS. So in CAS, we're going to put in solve 1/2 V naught equals V naught. Actually, wait. Sorry. We'll need to divide both sides by V naught to cancel them out first. So dividing through by V naught, as we cancel V naught from both sides. So we're left with 1/2 equals 2 to the minus 5k. And now that we can put in our CAS. So we put solve. Oops. Comma t, comma k, sorry. Putting that into our calculator menu. We get k is 0.2, or a fifth. So we could have acquired k without the CAS. Could note that 1/2 is equal to 2 to the negative 1. And just as in the previous question, if we've got the same base, then the numbers that are in the index also need to be equal, or in the numbers that are in the exponent need to be equal. So in other words, -1 must equal the minus 5k. If we divide both sides by -5, then we get a fifth is equal to k. Part B, how long does it take for the car to lose 75% of its purchase value? So if it loses 75% of its purchase value, then its value will be only 25% of its initial value, or a quarter of its initial value. We're going to use the value that we calculated for k for the previous part of the question. and we're going to substitute our value for v and our value for k into the equation. So our equation becomes 1/4 v0 equals v0 times 2 to the minus 1/5 of t. Again, we need to divide through by v0 so that we're left with 1/4 equals 2 to the power of t on 5. Can use CAS then. And what you will find is that t equals 10 years. We were working in years, weren't we? Let's read the question. Yep, that was years. T equals 10 years. Again, we could do it without the calculator because 1/4 is in fact equal to 2 to the negative 2. Equating the exponents, so we have -2 equals -2/5. Multiplying both sides by -5, and we end up with t equals 10.